Is your car making strange noises, or is the engine refusing to start? A bad timing belt or chain could be the issue. In this video, we'll go over the common symptoms of a failing timing belt or chain, and why catching these signs early is so important. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps us bring you more videos. Symptom 1. Ticking or rattling noise from the engine. A worn or loose timing belt can cause a ticking noise, while a failing timing chain often makes a rattling sound, especially on startup. If you hear these noises, it's a sign that the timing system might need attention. Symptom 2. Engine misfires. A failing timing belt or chain can throw off the engine's timing, causing misfires. If your engine feels rough, hesitates, or shakes, the timing system could be out of sync. Symptom 3. Rough idle or stalling. When the timing belt or chain isn't functioning properly, the engine might struggle to maintain a smooth idle. In severe cases, it can cause the engine to stall while driving or at a stop. Symptom 4. Difficulty starting the engine. A broken timing belt or chain can prevent the engine from starting altogether. If the timing system is compromised, the pistons and valves can't move in sync, leaving you stranded. Symptom 5. Loss of power or poor acceleration. If the timing system isn't working right, your engine won't perform at its best. You may notice a lack of power, poor acceleration, or the car struggling under load. Symptom 6. Visible wear or damage. If you're inspecting the timing belt and notice cracks, fraying, or missing teeth, it's time to replace it immediately. For timing chains, visible slack or wear on the tensioner can indicate it's nearing the end of its life. Symptom 7. Check engine light. A failing timing belt or chain can trigger the check engine light. Codes related to timing or misfires might point to a problem with this critical system. Scanning the engine can provide a clearer picture. Why is the timing system so important? The timing belt or chain synchronizes the crankshaft and camshaft, ensuring the valves and pistons move in perfect harmony. If it fails, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage, especially in interference engines. Most timing belts need replacement between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, while timing chains typically last longer, but can still wear out over time. Check your owner's manual for specific intervals and inspect the system regularly. If anything's still unclear, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.